lavender green tea matcha. So good. It's so dope. I know that's right. Heading to Ulta. Me and the butt. Isn't it right, naughty butt? More makeup remover, and I did not know they had it like this. I usually use... This is really good for my cleanser and moisturizer. Nadia. Nadia. Why are you so loud? This girl has me holding her because it's nap time and she's really cranky. Anyway, they have that, which might be good, but this is what I got so far. Right there. I'm trying to remember. Coffee brew, cold brew. It's not in stock, so hopefully I can order it because I really like that.
Okay, look good.
You want to show off your little color swatch? What did you put on your hand? No, this one looks good. Don't touch anymore. You got your potty watch, Junie?
Uh-huh.
Is it gonna tell you to go potty?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. Just can't believe as much of a terror they were all morning. They got the nerve to sit here so freaking peaceful. We got a new project. And those balloons we still have from the beginning of November. They have the ice cream set that she found that she really, really loved at the Turkey Hill experience. And I almost can't leave this here. Should I get it? It's only $20. I think I'm too much of a bum to even show my whole self, but like, check out what's going on in the back of my car. So my mom, I'm gonna have to tell you about this. We have a lot of projects that we're working on right now. Currently, we are at Hobby Lobby. We're currently at Hobby Lobby. We are about to start another project, which is we're gonna get the foam board to make a big number 0. We just ordered some LED lights to do the, you know, the 4 foot tall numbers. And we did do the circle LEDs from the dollar store before, and then we also did balloons. But this person asked for a LED, so we're going to attach LED lights to the number. We already have a 3, but we don't have a 0. We typically don't buy every letter, every number, every backdrop unless someone requests a specific backdrop. Then we do it because, you know. So anyway, we are doing the... I don't know what it's called. Shari? C-H-A-R-A? I'll look it up and come back. But the backdrop where you have the 3 different sizes. And so this is the 6 foot one. And then we have 2 more down there that are like 5 foot and 4 foot. So my mom, you know what? I'm going to save this for another time when I look better so I can explain this a little more. But basically someone put this together for us and we just picked it up. So now about to get the kids out of my mom's car and go to Hobby Lobby. They do this every time we walk in Hobby Lobby because it's so echoey. Yeah! All right, calm down. We're about to go in the store. We're about to go in the store. Shirts, and I realized, well, one, I wanted to buy a bunch of shirts to make graphic tees for the kids, and then I realized for 30% off, these make really great shirts for underneath her clothes, and so like I'm gonna get a couple of these shirts. That's what I mean. You can see it later. My mom will when we take them out the car, I'll show you what she did. But we also got this. Look how big this foam board is. I wish you could see how big it is compared to me. But right now, Hobby Lobby has a sale on foam board. I think they're about 40% off right now. Yeah, they're about 40% off right now. And so my mom is stocking up because she's deciding to sorry, got you guys on the ground. I still have these in my car. So anyway, these are $10. Let me see. I'm gonna stand it up and see. They come to like, I know I look bummy. That's how tall this board is. And so what she's gonna do with that board is, I'll sit you guys right there. What she's gonna do with that board is make a large number, number 0, and the smaller board she's planning on making like a mosaic letters. But anyway, check this. So I got these for my daughter, $3.99 with 30% off. So yeah, those should be fun. My mom took the kids in the store. Don't judge me, I look a mess. But anyway, so my mom literally met this guy in a parking lot and was like, I'm working on something, working on a dessert cart, and I'm trying to figure out how to do this. So my mother and I have actually figured out how to make a lot of things ourselves. So we did our own dessert cart, and I'll insert that here. So we made our own dessert cart, but it was made out of mostly foam board and wood. So we wanted a real one. So this guy, I'm sorry, I'm starving. So this guy was in the parking lot, she asked, and he was like, well, I could do it. No, I think it was at Home Depot or in the parking lot. There was 2 guys. One guy was like, I could do it for you, but I'm gonna have to buy the tools to do it, and I'm gonna charge you like hundreds of dollars. This other guy was like, you know, I could do it. This is something that I do all the time. Charge her a lot less money. So we got our dessert cart. He made quite a few things. I gotta think of what are some of the other things he made for us. But I got to meet him for the first time today. It's a nice old man. I guess he just does woodwork. He does a great job. My mom literally sends him a video. No, she sends him a picture of something that she wants and explain to her for events we need to break it down, and he does it. Very inexpensive. We are very blessed that my mom came in contact with this man, and he was so happy to meet me. He was like, your mom does a great job. You are lucky that you have her and that she found me to help you with your business. I'm like, yes, thank you, sir. Thank you. But yeah, I'm like, what am I gonna do when he's no longer here? Because he seems very old, but he does such a great job. Such a great job. So now, okay, so he made these backdrops with adjustable legs, depending on if you're on an uneven surface. Then he told me to add him, and I'll tell you what he told me to do to make it even better. But now we have him making this archway. It's like another backdrop that have like it looks like a rectangle, but it's like a empty box. You know what I'm saying? Like a 3D box, but it's empty. So it just has the 4 poles, a top and a bottom. And we're gonna paint it white for this event. This girl sent me a picture of what she wants for her backdrop, and we don't have that, but I was just gonna use a regular backdrop, but my mom was like, no, we'll ask him to do it. So we asked the guy to do it, and he took our wood, and he's like, I'll let you know when it's done. He's amazing. Okay, my mom and the kids are taking forever. I wonder if she wants me to come back to help her with these kids. I should probably call her. I'll talk to y'all later. Let's go. Come on, pumpkin heads. Somebody gotta buy that. Huh? The pieces out of the car, show you how this works. So he basically added these screws on here to adjust it based on how high of the ground it is or if it's uneven. And then because when you move it, these are just flapping, he suggested to add magnets on this side and then a metal piece here so that they would stay, you know, like that. So I'll have to work on that. Here they are. Here they are. So exciting. So excited to do this. Blackened salmon. You want to know for what? Hold on, I'm gonna show you the ingredients and then you're gonna know. Here we go. You know? You know? Hold on. Forgot one more ingredient. I'm doing the famous TikTok's sushi bowl, but I got cauliflower rice instead. Only putting a little bit in here. You start with your rice, then you put your salmon on. And for some reason, my mom's salmon looks better than my salmon. But her salmon is dry. Look at it. My salmon is moist. Let's go ahead and put this piece. No, I'm gonna try this piece. Yeah, I'm gonna use my chopsticks. Ooh, yes! I put the cucumbers on first. I've been searching. I got some kind of Asian mayo, but it already has sriracha in it, but I always have sriracha on hand. And I always use the less sodium. This is my favorite, the Japanese soy sauce. Rice because I use a lot of soy sauce and it's cauliflower rice, but it is what it is. Ketchup and sriracha. It's sriracha and the Asian. I did it better the first time. I can delete that.